Did you know that one of America's greatest assets in World War II wasn't its planes, tanks, or ships, but its ability to make ice cream? In war, motivation is just as important as proper equipment and training. Thus, to boost morale, the US War Department, Navy, and dairy industry collaborated to ensure all servicemen and women would have access to ice cream, a favorite American dessert. Why ice cream? Well, alcohol was banned on military ships since 1914, and prohibition had also made the snack far more popular. Ice cream could help soldiers enjoy some luxury and be reminded of home, even while far away from it. During the war, the US built and converted several ice cream barges, shipping all across the Pacific. The Army also took part, sending out ice cream machines and ingredients across all theaters of war and building ice cream factories when liberating Western Europe, delivering right to the front lines. Some accounts even claim that German soldiers lost all hope when they discovered the US Army had the capacity to make and ship ice cream while they could barely eat. In the end, something as simple as ice cream played a large role in the American war effort, keeping soldiers happy and disciplined, something that false promises and alcohol couldn't match. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more.